नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth University, Jaipur. In previous session, we discussed about barbiturates, which falls in the category of CNS depressants. Now today, we are going to discuss psychotropic drugs. So what are psychotropic drugs? Psychotropic drugs are a category of drugs which affects psychic function, behavior, or experience of the user. So basically, these drugs affects higher functions of brain. They affect psychic functions. They affect behavior and the user, what he feels, what he experiences. Basically, psychotropic drugs includes antidepressants, neuroleptics, and hallucinogens. Now, there is a broad classification of psychotropic drugs. This classification is as follows, where first category is sedatives. Sedatives are basically those drugs which induces sleep, which calms down the patient or the user. Okay, so it includes barbiturates, minor tranquilizers, and alcohol. Another one are stimulants. Stimulants are those category of psychotropic drugs which excites the patient, which causes excitation of brain function. These are amphetamines, methylphenidate, cocaine. These are stimulants. Third category is opiates. Opiates are basically compounds that are derived from opium or have functions similar to opium, opioids. It includes heroin, methadone, morphine. Next one is hallucinogens. Hallucinogens are those drug substances which produces hallucinations. That is the feelings without any stimuli. Marijuana. Next category is tranquilizers. They just calm the user. These are chloropromazine. Another type of psychotropic drugs are antidepressants, broadly tricyclic antidepressants and monoamine oxidase inhibitors. Another one is anti-mania drugs, which are used to treat maniac condition. So some of the drugs we have discussed previously, just like alcohol, opioids, barbiturates, cocaine. So these different drugs we have discussed earlier. Now antidepressants. Antidepressants are those drugs which are used to treat the depressive state of patient. If a person is in depressive state, these drugs are used to treat that depressive state, that condition of depression. Antidepressants are basically classified as tricyclic. In tricyclic, further they are divided into different groups. One group includes tertiary amines, amitriptyline, doxepin, impramine, trimipramine. Secondary amines includes desipramine, nortriptyline, protriptyline, and another group is tetracyclic anti tricyclic antidepressant, which include meptrotyline. Another antidepressant are dibenzoxazepine, amoxicillin, trizolpyridine, which includes trazodone, and bicyclic, which includes fluoxetine or fluoxetine. Another group of antidepressants are monoamine oxidase inhibitors or MAOI. It includes nilamide, phenylcypromine. Third group is lithium carbonates. And last one is miscellaneous, which includes amphetamines and caffeine. Usually these antidepressants are used to treat the depressive state, to treat a diseased condition, but they may be toxic due to their anticholinergic effect, which produces supraventricular tachycardia, agitation, may lead to seizure, coma, hallucinations, and respiratory depression. So if antidepressants produces anticholinergic effect very strongly, then it may result into severe conditions like tachycardia, seizures, coma. Patient may go into coma, and they may depress respiratory functions. Or antidepressants blocks reuptake of norepinephrine at the synapse, and this blockage results in atrial and ventricular disturbances and hypertension. These antidepressants may also produce quinidine-like membrane depressant function or effect on heart, where it alters sodium influx, which may result in conduction delays and myocardial depression. So the antidepressant may also function like quinidine, where they act as membrane depressants of heart. They may also act as peripheral alpha blockade, which may cause hypotension, and antidepressants may also act as inhibition of sympathetic reflexes centrally. So to summarize, the side effects or negative impacts of antidepressants, that they may produce anticholinergic effect, or they blocks reuptake of norepinephrine, or they may produce quinidine-like effect on heart, or they block peripheral alpha, or they may act as peripheral alpha blockade, and they may act as inhibitors of sympathetic reflexes. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any doubt, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.